Hello everyone, today we will talk about food loss and food waste. What is food loss? Food loss is a decrease in the quality of raw food, which means it cannot be processed into food ready for consumption. Food loss is generally caused by limited infrastructure, climate, and environmental factors, as well as negligence in the production, storage, and distribution processes. Food loss occurs directly in the food production chain. For example, farmers and processed food factories. And what about food waste? Food waste is a reduction in the quantity or quality of food caused by the decision and action of retailers, food service providers, and consumers. Simply put, food waste is all food that is thrown away or not consumed, whether it is still fit to eat or is stale. In general, the appearance of food waste can be associated with consumption behavior and errors in food storage mechanism. Food waste is a very real threat to environmental sustainability in the future. The impact of food waste is very broad and can even cause carbon emissions and global warming. Apart from that, leftover food can also be detrimental to restaurant business people. This happened because of less than optimal management of restaurants' inventory. The Indonesian's level of food loss and food waste are in a top 4 the biggest food waste and food loss in the world. Today, we will have a chance to talk about food waste and food loss with KDS Cantonese Restaurant. Name of source: Sentosa Wijaya. The biodata source is he is born in April 25th, 1996. He works in the company name in KDS Cantonese Restaurant. What does KDS Cantonese Restaurant producing? They are producing Cantonese food. What is the best-selling food menu at KDS Cantonese Restaurant? The best-selling food menu at KDS Cantonese Restaurant is koloba. Koloba is a pork dish with the sweet sour sauce.
What is the flow of food waste within the company? Goods come from supplier are processed until they become semi-finished goods. When they are sold, they are used for cooking. Consumer who do not finish the product will turn the remaining product into waste. Is the waste from the production of the product served before disposal? The waste is immediately disposed of at the final waste disposal site in the area residential area Malang City. Who is in charge of the waste disposal process? KDS Restaurant has a cleaning service crew that takes care of the disposal of waste that has been collected every day and thrown into the landfill. Where is discarded waste sent or what is it used for? The waste that has been collected will be disposed of in the rupees being provided by the area estate, so the environmental service will take the rupees to another place. Why does waste have to be managed? First, even though you can just throw it away straight away, if left for too long, it will cause an unpleasant odor, and local residents will complain to the KDS to immediately dispose of the collected rupees. How do you process this waste? The KDS team has prepared enough trash bags for daily needs and will continue to use this technique because this is the most optimal technique in our opinion for processing our waste.
How do goods flow until they reach the semi-finished process? So, the goods come from the supplier. Then we hand them over to the process and processing team. The incoming product contains 10% impurities which are discarded because they are not needed, then stored in the warehouse when needed by the kitchen crew and will be processed into semi-finished goods. Is the process for disposing of semi-finished waste the same as disposing of food waste that has been consumed by consumers? It could be said to be the same because we provide rubbish bags in various places, and the kitchen team also does the same thing in terms of rubbish disposal. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation. Bye bye.
Thank you.